Good morning, folks. So it is 19th of July, Sunday in Bangalore, around 7:30 a.m. So the second part of the lockdown still continues, and it's going to be done by 23rd, I guess. So this is the morning view. I hope you guys can see from behind. This is from a balcony, and still roads are empty. Otherwise things are okay here. So it's a Sunday. Let's see what all things can be done. I'm at home just chilling, and plan is to be at home, clean the house today because today is Sunday, and we'll do our regular things. There are few more things to be done, that is washing our clothes, and I need to clean my car also. So that's all. And update wise, still number of cases in Bangalore increasing. Karnataka, it has gone up to 51,000 now. So I don't think this corona will stop for now. It will definitely be more, and we have to be safe. The community spread has started, so everybody, I request to be at home, not to go out much. In Bangalore it is fully locked down right now, so that is the plan. And let's see what all things comes up. And I was craving for some dosas, so I ordered some masala dosa from a nearby restaurant. Thanks to Swiggy or Zomato, they're delivering, and hopefully the food is clean and sanitized. It's kind of taking a risk, but I was lazy to make something for me on Sunday morning, so I thought I'll just order some hot masala tea and dosa. That's all for now. Let's see what all things comes up, and I hope you guys are doing well, and be safe at home. Keep your health on top priority, and do all the work what is required. Nothing else. As you can see, the weather is really good. The sky is clear, and it rained at night. It's pretty chilly, and I'm wearing a mild little wind cheater. And let's see, I'll update you guys on more what is happening around. And this is my locality. As you can see, this is Kalyan Nagar area in Bangalore, and I'm living in my apartment, so things are pretty cool here. And it is nobody's going out much, just for the normal day-to-day grocery and things. And still I can see some cars going on the road. So that's all for now. This is the update, and nothing else much. We'll see what all things we'll do, and I'll show you what I daily drink in the morning. That's here in my kitchen. So this is my drink for the morning. It's basically sauf and methi, which is soaked in the water overnight, and I'll just drink it in the morning. It is really healthy, and nothing else. Keep your immunity boosted and safe, and we'll see you again. That's all, guys. Be safe.